Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, Casio MTP-VC01. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. So there are three buttons. The top left is the mode button, and lower left is the adjust button, and the right one is the analog hand setting button. And this one looks like a crown, but it's not. It is a button. Next, we will press the mode button several times to get to the time mode. So this one is the calendar mode, and then this one is the alarm, and then this one is the dual time. It shows TL on the lower left, and then this one is the stopwatch, and now is the time mode. Okay, now you can do the LCD check by press and hold the adjust button and then press the mode button after that. So it should be quick like this. So press and hold and then press the mode button, and we will get this LCD check screen. You can then press the mode button to cycle through the display. So this one is the code, and then again, and then back to the time mode. Next, you can do the alarm sound check by press and hold the mode button from any mode, and it will give beeping sound like this. Okay, and it works in any mode. And yes, let's now back to the time mode. Okay, and next we will set the digital time. I would suggest to set the digital time first before setting the analog hands. That would be easier. And to set the digital time from the time mode, right here, you can press and hold the adjust button on the lower left until the second is flashing or blinking. And now we can reset the second using the top left button, the mode button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this. If it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay, next, press the adjust button, and now we are setting the hour. You can use the top left button to increase the number now, so let's say 15. Next, press again the adjust button, and now we are setting the minute. And for the minute, also the same thing. Use the top left button to increase the number, so let's say 15:25, like this. Okay, and then press the adjust button, and now we are setting the time format. You can choose 12-hour format or 24-hour format using the top left button, this one, and then press the adjust button again, and now back to the time mode and exit from the setting of the digital time. Okay, next we will set the analog hands, and to do that you might want to use pointer object like this. So this one is a toothpick and it's not too hard, so yes, this is one of the best option. And to set the analog hands, you can press the button. So one press equals with 20 seconds or a third of a minute, like this. Okay, and we will set the analog hands to point to the same time. So this one 15:26. So let me press and hold the hand setting button. So this one is 15, and then 27, so it should be around here. So 25, 26, 1, 2, 3, 27. And yes, that's it for the setting of the analog hands. Okay, now let's move on to the next mode, the calendar. Use the top left button to change the mode. This one is the calendar. You can set the calendar by first press and hold the adjust button like this. And this one is the month. You can use the top left button to increase the number. So this one, March, April, and so on. So let me set back to March. Okay, press the adjust button now, and we are now setting the date. Also the same thing, use the mode button to change the number. So let me set back to 30. Press and hold to speed up if you need. Okay, press again the adjust, and now is the setting for the day of the week. Also the same thing, use the mode button, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, press the adjust button, and done for the setting of the calendar. And now let's move on to the next mode. Press the mode button. We are now in the alarm mode. You can set the alarm by press and hold the adjust button like this. Okay, and then now the hour. You can change the hour of the alarm using the top left button. So let me set this one as 5. Okay, and now press the adjust button, and now is the minute. Let me set this one. So this one is the 10th of the minute. So let me set this one as 3 and then press the adjust button, and now is the last number of the minute. So let me set as 35. Okay, and then press the adjust button, and now is the setting for the options to activate. So this one meaning that the alarm and the hourly signal are active, and if you press the mode button, now both are not active. Press again, now only the alarm is active. Press again, this one only the hourly signal is active. Press again, both are active. So press the mode button to change which features that you want to activate. Okay, and then press the adjust button, and now done for the setting of the alarm. So we have alarm at 5:35 in the morning, and this one the alarm is active and also the hourly signal. Anyway, if you want to deactivate the alarm, simple, press and hold the adjust button, and now the hour is flashing or blinking, and then press 1, 2, 3, and then press the mode button to change the setting. So this one means that both are not active. So let me set back to both active like this, and then press the adjust button, and done for the alarm. Let's move on to the next mode. Press the mode button, and this one is the dual time. So for the dual time, you can press and hold the adjust button to change this one, the hour. You can use the mode button to increase the number. So let's say this is 4, okay, and then press the adjust button, and now is the minute. So let me set this one to be the same, 30. Okay, and then press the adjust button, and now we are setting the time format. You can select the 12 or 24-hour format like this. Okay, press the adjust button, and now back to the dual time mode. And yes, for the second, it will follow the timekeeping mode or the time mode second. You cannot set that differently for the dual time. Okay, now press the mode button. We are moving to this one, the stopwatch. For the stopwatch, we only have simple or basic stopwatch. So just start, stop. Use the adjust button to start. Okay, and then press to pause. Press to continue. Press to pause. And if you want to reset, press and hold. Like this. And that's it. We don't have split time and other functions. Okay, now press the mode button, and we're back to the time mode or the timekeeping mode. And that's all for the settings and tutorial for this watch, Casio MTP-VC01. If you have any tips or any question about the setting and operation, don't hesitate to put in the comments below. It will be very helpful for me and also for the other viewers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Have a great day.